Why can't I fly away, take the pain away from the rubble that is here? All of the time that I have had, I always assumed it'll be clear. Instead I'm here, wrapped in chains. I'm looking to break out, but I fear I'm not doing what they say is right. How have I not seen these tears? 'Cause I've been thinking about what I wanna do, 'cause I never ever thought it through. Now I ask myself why didn't I? Why can't I fly away, take the pain away from the rubble that is here? The boredom creeps in when I'm staying in, thinking about where I have been. Instead I'm here, wrapped in chains. I'm looking to break out, but I fear I'm not doing what they say is right. How have I not seen these tears? 'Cause I've been thinking about what I wanna do, 'cause I never ever thought it through. Now I ask myself why didn't I? And I don't wanna live my life for this 9 to 5. I need to live my life for the stars that shine. Fly away, take the pain away from the rubble that is here. Thinking about what I wanna. Thinking about what I wanna do, 'cause I never ever thought it through. Now I ask myself why didn't I? Thinking about what I wanna do, 'cause I never ever thought it through. Now I ask myself why didn't I? Freedom's calling from the alcohol and saying nothing's wrong to come back home. The truth it's telling, but the toll it's taking. Yeah, my hands are shaking with my soul. Be cool and let the fire take you. Be cool and let the fire take you. There's so much wrong, but I can't feel it all, so I've been taking shelter in some fall.